Hello children, welcome back to English online class. In this class we are going to revise Unit 1, The Lighthouse. The name of the lesson is The Lighthouse. Okay. First we will see the question answer. The first question is, why was Rajiv thrilled? Rajiv was thrilled because his father promised him to take it out on a visit to the lighthouse. Why was Rajiv thrilled? Rajiv was thrilled because his father promised him to take out on a visit to the lighthouse. Now the next question is, what is a lighthouse? What is a lighthouse? A lighthouse is a tall, strong building in the shape of tower with powerful lights. So what is a lighthouse? A lighthouse is a tall, strong building in the shape of tower with powerful lights. Come to the third question. What is the third question? How are lighthouses useful to sailors? Lighthouses help the sailor to know where the land is and what place they are near. Sometimes they are on the seashore and sometimes in the sea. They are in the places which are dangerous to ship and they help to warn and guide the sailor. Now question number 4. Come to question number 4. Where are the lighthouses built? The lighthouses are built on the seashore. What did the people use in lighthouses before the invention of electricity? They used wood to light fire and candles in glass enclosure. They used wood to light fires and candles in a glass enclosure. How was the first lighthouse built? In olden days, wood fire were lit in high places on the shore. Later, a large number of candles were used with glass around them to keep out the wind. So this is how the first lighthouses were built. Now this question says, children, question number 7. Find the word from the story which mean the opposite of the following words. Okay. See, first one is dangerous. Dangerous opposite is safe. Tall opposite short. Short opposite tall. Far opposite near. Low opposite high. Old opposite modern. Stop opposite continue. Okay. Now then see this exercise, children. Rajiv was thrilled because his father was going to take him out on a visit to the lighthouse. Okay. What incident in your life made you thrill? Narrate them. Children, this you write on your own. This is for self-assessment. You have to write on your own. You can see this as an example. Once here that writer is saying his experience. Once we visited the Marine Beach in Chennai, the world's second longest beach. The road was wide and fine. Status of great men all along the road, and the best was the Statue of Labor. There were many colorful shops in the beach. It was beautiful experience to stand on the shore and being washed by the tides. Horse rides was there. The eateries were also there. That was a memorable evening. So this is one incident you can write on your own. Do you want to invent something new? See here this question. Do you want to invent something new? What kind of invention do you want to make? I want to invent a TV which will be handy and can be carried wherever we go. Okay. Now lighthouse question, the third one. Lighthouse is a not invention made by a single person. In the same way, there are many other such inventions which were made with the collective effort of many persons. Make a list of them and discuss in the class. Okay, and discuss in the class. Okay. Wheel is an invention of many person. Wheel. Okay, we don't know when wheel was invented, but it was an invention of many person. First they put the load in a wooden box and dragged them, and they used to use the round logs of wood as wheels. Then the wheels were made of light iron rings. Metal wheels were used. Then light rubber tubes and tires were used to make wheels. So this is another invention, wheel, which is not made by single hand. Now see here, they have given like this. What are the following? And that words, some letters are missing. So you have to fill in that letter and you have to find out. One who sails across a river or a sea. Who is that? Sailor. Sailor. One who catches fish for his living. That is fisherman. 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 A tall building in the sea which guides the sailor. That is lighthouse. Lighthouse. Okay, the area of the land by the side of sea, seashore, Seashore. Shore. A journey by sea, voyage, Voyage. So you have to write O in first place and A in second gap. Now look at the word grid below. This is word grid, children. Name of some vehicles are hidden in the grid. Look horizontally, vertically, circle them and write them down in the below the grid. Okay. Now children, here vehicle names has given. So you have to find the vehicle name. Now first is auto rickshaw. Where is auto rickshaw written? This is the auto rickshaw. This line, see, from here to here. This is auto rickshaw. Can you see? Next is boat. This one is boat. BOAT, boat. Then truck. TRUCK, truck. Then car. CAR, car. Then aeroplane. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Then train. Then train is there. Okay, now it has become. See here, this is train. TRAIN, train. Here I'll show you. Train. This one, train. Then scooter is there. Scooter. Okay. So we have finished. We got auto rickshaw, bus, scooter, aeroplane, boat, and car, truck, train. So all this we got in this word grid. Now come to this question V3. Exercise V3. Read the following phrases. Asha and Gopal are going to a village. There is not long. They both like to go by train. They wish to go on when they grow up. Okay, now fill in the blanks with suitable words choosing from the ones underlined in the above pages. Now, my brother is fond of space. His dream is to go on a voyage into space. Second one, my parents always travel by train. Third one, we went on a short trip to Dehradun in summer vacation. The journey from Bengaluru to Mysuru is quite comfortable. Okay, children. Now, see this V4 exercise. Days the people on the land were worried and yet helpless to guide them. Here underlined word has a suffix less to mean without. Here see, helpless word is there. It means without. Okay. Now children, now see here. Don't dry my red shirt in the sun. It will become colorless. There isn't enough drinking water in our place. The situation is hopeless. This apple is not fresh. It has become useless. I emptied all the content of the bag. Now it is weightless. I don't know what to do next. I am feeling helpless. Raju is a strong boy. He is fearless too. Now last one. Complete the sets. Okay. Happy, excited, thrilled, enlightened. Picnic trip, excursion, tour. Wise, clever, intelligent, bright, uh, smart, adorable, pet, favorite. So children, we have revised lesson unit 1, lighthouse. You read from your notebook all the notes I have already given and be ready for the FA1, which is going to start in the month of September. Thank you children.